that English language book, English grammar book. Take out your English language book. Take out your English language books, children. Open page number 13. 1, 3, 13. Page number 13. Children, we were doing one and many. I had told you what is one, what is many. One means singular noun. Many means plural noun. Okay? Plural number. Okay? जब एक नंबर होता है तब that is singular number. When there is more than one, that is plural number. So how will you define? I gave you definition. When we talk about one person, one animal, one thing, one place, then the noun is known as singular number. Singular in number. But when we talk about more than one person, more than one place, or more than one animal or thing, then the noun is called plural number, or it is plural in number. Children, I even told you that there are few words that end in S, O, SS, SH, X और CH. जब कोई भी वर्ड इनसे एंड होता है S से O, SS, SH, X or CH, then we add ES to the naming words. What we add? ES. ES to the naming words. Okay. For example, like gas is there. Gas, GAS. S is जो word है वो S से end हो रहा है. So what we have added? ES. We will add ES. Right. Then tomato, TOMATO, it's ending with O, so we have added ES to it. It will become tomatoes. Then SS से जो word end होता है, जैसे boss है, it is ending with SS, so we will add ES to it. It will become bosses. Then wish, WISH is wish, so in wish is ending with SH. So we will add ES to it. It will become wishes. Then the word which is ending with X, fox, FOXES, foxes. Then match, MATCH. It's ending with CH. We will add ES to it. Mean जो word इनसे end होते हैं. मैंने बताया था ना in previous yesterday class I had told you ना. The word ending with S, O, SS, SH, X और CH, इनमें हम क्या ऐड करते बेटा? We add ES. Now today we are going to do the new exercise in which you have to add SS, S or ES. Both you have to add. Right? Okay, children. Both you have to add, like church is there, church. So in church, what you will add? Church is ending with what? CH. CH से end हो रहा है church ना. So what will you add? मैंने अभी बताया जो CH से end होगा, SH से end होगा, the word which is ending with SS, SS, OS या X से एंड होगा, वहां उसके पीछे क्या लगेगा? ES लगेगा. बाकी क्या लगेगा? S. पीछे S लगेगा. सो चर्च में देखिए पीछे CH है बेटा. CH. सो आंसर विल बी चर्चेस. हाउ विल यू राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ चर्चेस? पहले चर्च की स्पेलिंग लिखिए. राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ चर्च. CHURCH. एंड उसमें ऐड क्या करना? व्हाट यू हैव टू ऐड? यू हैव टू ऐड ES. Add ES. CHURCHES. Churches. It will become churches. Okay. Now number 2, bottle. देखिए BOTTLE Page number 13 we are doing, children. 1, 3, 13. Okay, we have done the above exercise. C वाली हमने exercise कर चुकी बेटा. Now today this D we are going to do. Okay, this only we'll do today because already there is lot of technical issue and our chapter will also be over today, this chapter. And in the new class we'll start with the new lesson, children. So next word is bottle. B O T T L E, bottle. So what will it become? Bottles. How will it become bottles? Because ये किससे एंड कर रहा है? ई से एंड कर रहा है. So यहाँ पे दोबारा ES ऐड नहीं होगा क्योंकि ES जो है उन्हीं वर्ड्स में ऐड होता है जो कि एंड होते हैं S से, O, X, SS, SH, CH. So ये तो E से एंड हो रहा है. So here we will put S. स्पेलिंग क्या होगी बेटा? राइट इन द बुक. पहले बॉटल की स्पेलिंग लिखिए. राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ बॉटल एंड पुट S. Everyone write the spelling of bottle and put S. Small s. It will become bottles. चर्चेस में ES लगेगा बेटा, ठीक है. चर्च की स्पेलिंग लिखने के बाद आप ES ऐड करोगे and in bottle you will add S, small s. Okay, now number 3, hand. It's not ending with SOSS ना, so we will add S. इसमें सिर्फ हम S ऐड करेंगे, small s. It will become hands. So आंसर क्या होगा? HANDS, hands. HANDS, hands, right hands. Divyanshi, don't talk. Okay, eraser. Eraser में बेटा देखिए it's ending with R, so it's not ending with SOSS ना, CH और SH, neither X, so we will add S. हम इसमें सिर्फ S ऐड करेंगे. So what will be the answer? Eraser की स्पेलिंग लिखने के बाद बेटा after writing eraser you will add S. So answer will be ERASERS. Okay, wait beta, wait for everyone. ERASERS, erasers. Then number 5 is fish. Fish देखिए SH एंड हो रहा है. Fish is ending with SH. जब SH से एंड होता है तो क्या लगता है? ES. So what we'll add? FISHES. FI. Please. Yes. Okay, wait beta, mute your microphone. Divyanshi Pal has opened and Tashi Sharma, mute your microphones. Please mute your microphones. Yes. Already there is lot of network issue and see or don't open the microphone, okay? So it will become fishes because beta ये SH से end हो रहा है. It is ending with SH. So it will become fishes. Right? Clear? Then ruler. What will be the spelling in ruler? Ruler किससे end हो रहा? R से. तो इसका तो कोई रूल ही नहीं है. Means यहाँ पर S लगेगा. So answer will be rulers. 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 Okay. Write the spelling RULERS. Rulers. Arav Jain, you have written now? Okay. Now write 7th number. Number 7, radish. Okay, thumbs up दिखा रहा है. I understood बेटा. Good. Radish. Now write radish. Radish में देखिए SH से end हो रहा है. Radish word is ending with SH. Okay. So एसएच से जो एंड होता है वहां पे क्या ऐड होता है बेटा? व्हाट डू वी ऐड? ईएस, ईएस. सो इट विल बी रेडिशेस. RADISHES. एस ऐड नहीं होगा, ई और एस दोनों ऐड होगा. बोथ विल बी एडेड, ई एंड एस. सो इट विल बिकम radishes. RADISH के बाद क्या लिखोगे? ES ऐड कर दोगे. यू विल ऐड ES. देन ए शू. शू में देखिए क्या ई से एंड हो रहा है ना? ई. Only two more words better, then we'll over this exercise because today we'll not begin with anything new. This is the end of the chapter and within 5 minutes we'll over the class then. Okay. So shoe. शू में देखिए बेटा क्या ई इज देयर. ई से कोई रूल नहीं है. वी विल जस्ट एड एस. सो शू की स्पेलिंग लिखने के बाद स्मॉल एस ऐड कर दो उसमें. just add small s. So it will become shoes. 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 Okay. Now pencil. Come to the next word. Ninth word, pencil. 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 Pencil will become pencils. PENCILS. ES का रूल इसमें भी फॉलो नहीं होता है. देयर इज नो रूल रिलेटेड टू ES, so we will add S. So it will become pencils. पेंसिल की स्पेलिंग लिख के S लगा दो. ओके. एंड देन लास्ट इज बुक. बुक में भी कोई रूल नहीं होगा. इट विल बिकम बुक्स. Okay. So this is done, children. This is all for today. Nothing else. And what today you will do? You will complete this exercise in book. I will send you the work. Then you can complete this exercise in book. Okay. So I hope what you have to do today, you will complete this exercise. You will learn the definition and the exercises which I have taught. Okay. This is your duty. Okay. Bye, children.